Hey guys, my name is Trey McCurdy with the Harbor at Table Rock Lake. This week we're going to show you how to operate and use your RGB lighting feature on Cobalt. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure your battery switch is on or the engine is running. So your RGB lighting switch is right here at the bottom right hand corner of your helm, just to the bottom right of your steering wheel. You want to push and hold the button until it turns on. Then you have your RGB lighting on. There's 3 modes or phases in RGB lighting. The first phase or mode allows you to select the color. By turning the knob, you can determine the color of the RGB lighting. We'll turn it to blue for right now. If you hold in 3 to 5 seconds, it'll go to mode 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're in mode 2, and that allows us to dim the light or brighten the light, depending on how bright you want it to be. To go to mode 3, that allows the color to rotate through a rainbow of colors. So again, hold in 3 to 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it goes into a rotation mode where the light will rotate automatically how fast or how slow you want to rotate through all the colors. You can turn the knob left and right to do so. To turn it back to color selection, you hold in 3 to 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's back on color selection where we can turn the knob and determine what color we want the inside of the light to be. And to turn the RGB lighting off, you hold it in 5 to 10 seconds or until it turns off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this case, it was 8 seconds. So that's a little quick video on how to use the RGB lighting on Cobalt boats. Thanks and have a great day.